Hi everyone, welcome to another Score 8 tutorial. Today we will be looking at prisms, specifically rectangular prisms. The relationship between the volume, the length, the width, and the height of a rectangular prism. So we have this problem right over here. Elon, like Elon Musk, not really Elon Musk, whatever. Maybe Elon Musk actually did this, but let's see. Elon is in charge of designing a new water tank in the shape of a rectangular prism for a construction project. The tank needs to have a volume of 200 meter cube and it will be 25 meters long and 4 meters wide. If 3/4 of the tank's volume will be water, what will be the depth of, of the water? So what will the depth of the water be? So, as you know, I would like to start by doing a little sketch and walk you guys through this process of solving this question. So, if we can sketch a rectangular prism, so let me just do a little sketch. So it might not be accurate, but let me wipe that. Yep. Okay. So we have this, of that. So we will have this. All right. So this is a little sketch. So this is like a rectangular tank. I can even draw some dotted lines in there, you know. So this is our rectangular prism, and this is what Elon want to design, and 3/4 of this tank will be filled with water. So if I wanna just estimate, so this 3/4 of this tank will be filled with water, with fluid. It will be filled with fluid like that. 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, like this will be filled with fluid like that. There will be fluid in there. So what our job is, we want to determine the height or the depth of this water in the tank. So as you know, the volume of a rectangular prism is equal to length times width times height. Now they said that 3/4 of this prism is filled with water, you know. So we would try to look at the fraction that is filled with water. So I would like to call that fraction volume. The fractional volume that is filled with water is equal to 3/4 of the total volume. So which is equal to 3/4 of 200. This will give us 150 meters cube like that. So that is a fractional volume. That is a fraction of the tank that is filled with water. So if we want to come to this formula and determine the height, or just make the height the subject of the formula, because we are looking for the height of the water or the depth of water. So H will be equal to, so the volume all over length times width. So you know that now we'll be talking about the fractional volume now, because we want to look at the height, the depth of water. We'll be talking about the fractional volume now. So the fractional volume, which is this volume. So the depth of water will just be the fractional volume, which is 150 meters cube divided by the length, which is 25 meters, times the width, which is 4 meters. So this is gonna be 1.50 meters. So this is gonna be the depth of this water. So that is gonna be the depth of this water. You can go ahead and look for another way is to go ahead and first of all look for the height, the height of the whole prism, which is h is equal to uh you know v all over length times width, which is equal to 200 all divided by 25 times 4, which will give us 200 divided by 100 is 2 meters. So that is the height of the whole prism. And if we want to look at the depth of water, remember the depth of water will be 3/4 of the whole stuff. So the depth of water will be equal to 3/4 of 2, which will be 1.5 meters. So thank you. I hope you guys understood this. Again, if you have any problem, you can uh, text whatsoever, send a message to the comment section, or you email score8@gmail.com. Thank you.